Karan Johar says that OMAD, which is 1 meal a day, is the secret behind his 20 kg weight loss. If you follow it under medical supervision, you can see good amount of success. It has to be monitored and selected for your body type by a medical professional. Vidya Balan has told about her journey with anti-inflammatory diet, and she actually told her that she's been battling PCOS from very long time. Some healthy foods can also trigger a allergic reaction in your body. What is Mounjaro? What is Ozempic? The new fads and new trends of weight loss. Whether it is OMAD, that's 1 meal a day, or it is anti-inflammatory diet. What is India up to? And this is the topic of Unfiltered with Dr. Shilpi Reddy today. So when we talk about weight loss, I am fat, I am sad, I want to lose weight. This is what is everybody's problem. Body shaming has a very deep-rooted effect, and it's already into everybody's brain that they need to look perfect. Weight loss was once advice that was given for somebody who is diabetic or some other complications related to obesity, and that was a suggestion. But now it is no more about a health problem, it is a fad. Everybody wants to look a similar kind of a way, thin, lean, muscular, and complemented with some kind of a health advantage that they're looking at. But is everybody doing it the right way? Is something that is a question that has no answer. The current trends of Mounjaro and Ozempic are alarming. There is so much of consumerism in India that it has crossed about 1 lakh users in a very, very short span. Mounjaro is an anti-obesity drug which is actually given for diabetics. It's a weekly injection that you need to take on a regular basis, maybe forever or for some years. But it is a prescription medication that has to be either given by physicians or endocrinologists. Given for the same reason, a health reason, or just for weight loss is something that is a question. Endocrinologists and physicians, whoever is writing Mounjaro injection, is given for a purpose of weight loss whenever your sugars are not under control, and this injection gives weight loss that in turn controls sugars. And this can be exploited by various people who are looking only at weight loss and not at health reasons. This is something that right now is causing a lot of chaos. Similarly, the use of Ozempic is also increased pretty much because its availability and non-medical uses. And there is another very, very important trend that is happening in the current scenario is OMAD, 1 meal a day. Yes, you heard it from Karan Johar, and Karan Johar says that OMAD, which is 1 meal a day, is the secret behind his 20 kg weight loss. What happens in OMAD is you can have only 1 meal a day at a specific time. It is based on your actual preferences, your work and your body type. And in that 1 meal, you are given your protein, your carbs, your fat, whatever is supposed to be given for that day is taken in that 1 meal. A calorie restriction is followed. You do not compromise protein and fat. And the other times of the day, you just have some water or 0-calorie foods. And this is something that can again improve your insulin resistance. It can kick back and give weight loss. And also, it can shed oodles and oodles of weight that you are piling up because of insulin resistance. Again, this diet is not for everybody. It is for some people who can respond to this type of eating pattern without any side effects like gastritis, acidity, stomach pain, bloating. All these things can be there in people who follow OMAD. But if you follow it under medical supervision and only in selected cases, you can see good amount of success. It cannot be a diet fad, and it cannot be followed by everybody who wants to lose weight. It has to be monitored and selected for your body type by a medical professional. In a similar way, there is an instant when people have accepted of using Ozempic or Mounjaro, which is an anti-diabetic drug, and losing 55 kgs from their body. It is because that drug suited them and that was given under prescription by an endocrinologist or a diabetic doctor or a physician who is authenticated to do that. In a similar way, Vidya Balan has told about her journey with anti-inflammatory diet, and she actually told her that she's been battling PCOS from very long time, and because of which she had a lot of weight gain and a resistant weight loss strategy which was not working. And she has identified an anti-inflammatory diet that which gave response to her treatment, and then now she's having an ease in losing that extra weight. What is anti-inflammatory diet? Whenever we talk about foods, foods can be of two types, that are healthy foods, that are unhealthy foods. This is what everybody knows. But sometimes some healthy foods can also trigger an allergic reaction in your body and cause that allergic reaction by causing bloating, weight gain and other problems that can lead to weight gain and stop weight loss. This is inflammation. And when you can identify foods that are causing allergy to you, inflammation to your body, then definitely by avoiding those sets of foods, for example, gluten, which is there, maida and processed foods. For example, lactose, which is there in milk, and similar kind of products which can be allergic to some people who are allergic to gluten, allergic to lactose. If you avoid these foods, then it will take care of the inflammation in your body and your body will respond to treatment and lose weight. So, whenever you have an issue in losing weight, if you take professional help, they might have an analysis that gives you how to lose weight if you have any inflammation. This is again not mandatory for everybody out there. How is it identified? By taking professional help. So, whatever the fad is, we just came out of diets like Atkins diet, Mediterranean diet, and so many typical, non-typical diets that were used for weight loss. And now the trend completely different from what we saw at least a generation back. Now, how much of impact these kind of fads are going to have on the younger generation or on population who are more vulnerable and looking at weight loss, we don't know. But one thing is for sure, you definitely need medical help and medically certified and professionally managed weight loss regimes rather than any fads around in the market. This is Unfiltered by Dr. Shilpi this week. Wait for the next episode next week. See you, and I'm signing off.